Okay, I will pick now.
So we know it's a sticky. You cannot take that back.
I will choose this. Let's see it. Okay. I know what that is. That's a lot. Wow. Hazelnut. That's good.
Coffee.
Coffee. All different kinds.
Yes.
All different kinds of coffee. Oh my goodness. I like this. You gotta keep it. Of course.
There's only one.
Oh, later she will
There's
pick.
no choice.
Doesn't have the same ring.
That's an ano. Let me see.
Kanina yung galing.
Dapat ka ito yung lalagay kasi papangit eh. You will get
You will get rich.
You're gonna be,
There was a limit here, right? Oh, very nice.
Wow, towels! Cool!
Are those nice there? Do you have to get this one and that one?
Set ba yan? Set?
Very nice.
That's nice!
Very nice. You like it?
Yeah!
You don't like it?
Why, that's nice, Mommy!
Shawnee. So I gave you a
Yes! The colors are nice and those and they look spongy.
Anyway, you have two. Number two, you can have the
Wow, I like your coffee.
Yeah.
Stop a color, girl.
Yeah, I know. I was very happy with mine.
Okay, number 3. Number 3, I give up. Go ahead, go shoot. 6. Okay, 3. Go. Oh, Rudy. It's right there, Jack. Go ahead, go. Rudy, wait. Just because it's patches.
yeah.
Yep, we're at
Choose from every which one you like, but get that.
That wasn't yours, right?
Oh, that's supposed to be mine.
All right, here we go. Cool. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow, what's that? Oh! Wow! Pampalo ni Marilo sa'yo. You need that.
Daddy.
Okay.
Yes.
Number 7.
No.
Number 7.
No.
Oh,
Go.
4 si Manong.
Sige. Anything. Open it. Open it. Wait, ang bitawan. Bitawan. That's it.
That's it.
I know that.
Bitawan. That's like that one.
Take this one.
Oh.
I don't know.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh, I need this.
Oh yes.
Why are you snoring?
Eh, paano magkasunod kami?
What? That's okay.
Pwede kang kunin. You can kill. Get everybody.
Yung mga nauna sa'yo, pwede mong palitin sa'yo. Yeah.
Okay. Mine is 5. Go.
You're 5. Pick this one.
I don't think
Pick the gold one.
The gold one.
Stop with you taking. What are you gonna take?
The gold one.
Oh,
ang bigat.
you like your girlfriend? What is
I don't know how many rounds.
Wow.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, wait. Wow.
This exercise. Okay. Go on one.
Number 6. Number 5 ka ba?
Oh.
Number 6.
6.
I know what this is. I'll just like this.
Wow! Pink yan, pink! Pink ang kulay niyan, pink. Yung isa blue eh. Pareho ba?
Look, high quality yan.
Oh yeah, it's good. I'll keep it.
Oh, maganda yan ah.
Ching dapat ay kulay.
Yeah. Thank you. Never mind. I'll keep it. Okay.
Oh.
We can swap 2 colors.
Oh, 7 ako. 7. 7.
You cannot get the other one.
Okay. So which one? Ilan na lang ba?
Dati yun yan somebody.
Ito?
Yeah.
Sa akin to?
No, but take that.
Take this?
You can't take the other one.
Oh, no?
The other one is yours.
Okay.
Open it.
Open it. Wow! Ooh, maganda ito ah!
I like it.
Open it for me, honey. Wow! I like that.
Spanya, made in China.
Wow!
Spanya.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Nice.
That's nice.
We keep it.
Oh, keep it?
Keep it.
Oh, you don't like the towel? Marami sa Homewood niyan.
Oh, number 8. This gift card.
Oh.
Gift card daw yan.
Wait.
Gift certificate.
Ah, meron? Meron ba?
$20.
Ah, ganon. Oh, okay. Oh,
Hey!
8.
I know this. We went to do it together. No? Yes? Oh,
Oh, wow.
This is the same coffee. Palit tayo sa coffee na gusto na. Gusto na hindi yung isa. Shot of stress. Talaga? Ayaw ko. Akin na lang yan.
Wow! Wow, Harrods yan, Harrods, Harrods.
Mga tea, I'll keep that. No,
Wow!
I bought it.
Very nice, Mandel.
Yay! I'll keep it. Number 1.
Number 1.
Let's see.
Alis na si LB ah. Ayun, yun, yun, maganda. Bye-bye. You swapped that one, you swapped that. There you are. You're gonna get it back.
We have matching.
Matching nga naman.
Come down to me.
Oo. Ba, dalawa ba yun sa'yo?
Sige na tayo. Tayo ng kulay para ano.
Which one do you want? Pink or purple?
No, mas maganda yung pareho. Match kayo.
Pareho.
Hindi ko na yung purple. Akin na yung pink.
Okay.
Pink daw. This pink or this pink?
No, pink.
Which pink? This pink.
Nolan. Where's Nolan? Yeah, Nolan.
Maganda yung towel mo yun, oh.
Ang kawayan nito.
Gusto ko yan eh.
Yeah, those are great. Like high quality.
Yeah, they look high quality.
$6 Alright.
Wow!
Yeah! Akala mo ba? That's $30. Manong gusto mo yan? That's
Oo, naku maganda yan, Manong. Tama-tama yan.
Contour yan eh. I love it.
Oo.
Exercise. Yeah, but good resistance. Si Manong, alam mo dapat doon ka aerobic.
Supposed to be better. In combination, it's supposed to be better. Aerobic and
Oy, bawal yan ah. That's against the rules. Magpalit.
Ito yung... Ay,
Ayan, naku, masarap yan. Gusto ko yan.
Pero cream
Naku,
brulee.
thank you. Oo, masarap yan. Seattle's best. Thank you, Mandel.
Okay. Oh, I got like...
May ganyan ako manong eh.
Here, ganyan.
Talagang ano, nakakatulog ako.
Oh, okay. Give me one coffee.
Ah.
Every time sabi ko, ulit dito. Ah, maganda yan. I need this.
Yan, oo.
Tamo? Alright, already.
Rick, bakit ang mahal ng ano binili mo? Eh, may limit, di ba?
Big 28, ano, dati.
Ah,
Ano na lang.
naging $4 na lang. So, you still over ba? Ha?
I spent like $35.
Okay, that's okay. You don't want Wow, talaga? It's not supposed to be over.
That's okay. Rudy's was $48.
Pero hindi may nakasawa. May nakasawang TV. Nadaya ko nga sila eh. You know, $18 na dapat ang ano sale. Alam mo, may nasama silang 28 eh.
Oo nga, ano.
Oh, it's part of the sale.
Sila.
Anong brand yan? Yeah.
I like that.
Eh, maganda ang kulay eh.
I give the
We're gonna keep it. I need towel too.
Happy ka, honey?
There's no way that I would be able to.
I like that because I need two of the same color.
That's why it's good that you know. So I decided to tell you that.
You could have taken the other one.
Bakit ano? Bakit tatlo ka nilagay mo? Bakit dalawa na lang?
Eh, kasi ano, sobra naman.
Like Lucky Charms. You get the marshmallow, you're like, this is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to use it. Like,
Wait, were you guys Lucky Charms fans anyway?
We were more chocolate. I don't know. I didn't like chocolate.
Yeah, I was able to eat the grain, the whole the multi-grain part first, and then eat the marshmallow last.
You know what I used to do with my cereal? I was the worst.
Kelly, amazing. I
Lato, lato.
You have to get that one That's not fair. That's my deal.
So what I would do with my cereal, my mom did, I would buy cereal just because I knew the fries, like if it had fries in it that I wanted, I would buy it. I would pour all the cereal, I would take the fries. My mom finally got mad at me because I'm like, I didn't want the cereal. I just want the fries. Do you remember that? Yeah. That was like, that only happened once.
Remember this classic tale where you get a prize if you order
Oh my God,
and
yeah.
you only order the book size, right?
I would, you know what I would always get? Because my mom's like, oh, you should read books, buy some books. I'm like, okay, I want this part.
Okay, is everybody happy? Okay.
I'm like, you reading on the kiosk?
Hello! Hello, Ella! Say hello! Oh, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Hello, everyone. You say. Hello. Hello, everyone.
She said hello. She said hello.
Okie dokie.
I worry about it sometimes. You keep kicking students. I don't think that.
Sabi niyo mga I got some drinking. Drinking on your glasses. Di meron siyang sticker. Okay naman yung sticker. iPad
everywhere.
Mamaya.
What have you been drinking?
Got that place.
Ella.
Binigay niya.
I got yelled at last.